Alright guys, I'm just making another short because we're at 38 right now, so if we can at least hit 40 by tomorrow, please sub. Me and my brother really want to hit 40. My brother's here right now, he's over there. But please, I really want to hit 40 subs, so if y'all can please like, subscribe. If you can use the sound, please comment 40 if you're watching this video. See you all in the next one.